Good evening, my dear friends. This is Tomal once again. Welcome to PRCUMP. The official website is prccump.org.in. In today's session, we are going to give you a hands-on or demo on margin across. So, what is this? Suppose you can notice that I have written something on this particular cell, which is extended to three columns I, J, and K. Now, I want to make it in such a way that all the three columns, means for this particular cells, show a single cell, and these words, whatever it is written in it, shows that it is not aligned, means it will take the whole space. So what I'll have to do, in case of I'm home at this home tab, and from here we will move in this merge particular option. There is a tick over here, right click and click on merge across. If you click on merge and center, it will central align, but if you click on merge across, see, I'm showing you the difference between these two. Suppose I've written something over here. Okay, now I selected these two and I clicked on merge and center, it's come. But as I said, that merge across, see, merge across, so this will take the whole cell. In these three columns will complete it into one cell, and it will throughout the, from here to here, it will take the through the space. So this is your merge and across, this thing, merge across, this is your merge across. And this is all about the session. Thank you for being with us. My email is astamal6@gmail.com. Call is 8420879158. Provide banner flex designing on banner flex posters, sell dry fruits, and give computer certificate, and also different type of fulfill different type of requirements on computer. Please feel free to contact us. Thank you.